How to know if your relationship is forever. We're obsessed with the big moments, right? We think that's what makes a relationship last forever. But I want to tell you a painful truth. I learned the hard way. The most powerful predictors of whether your partnership will make it are completely invisible in those big moments. They're hidden in the mundane, the routine, the totally unsexy parts of daily life. This is where the simple, devastatingly accurate 3-3-3 rule comes in. It's a dating heuristic used by many relationship counselors that strips away the superficial layers and asks 3 vital questions about your partner's consistency and character. The first 3. How do they treat people they absolutely do not need? Think waiters, delivery drivers, cashiers, cleaning staff. This is where you see someone's true, unedited character. When the stakes are zero and there's no social pressure to be charming, are they respectful? Are they patient? If they can be cruel or dismissive to someone just trying to do their job, I promise you that attitude will be aimed at you eventually. The second 3. How do they react when they are stressed, exhausted, or under pressure? When the car breaks down on the highway? When they're 5 minutes late for a deadline? When they're utterly sleep-deprived? Everyone can be charming on a Tuesday night dinner date, but how do they behave when their brain is running on empty? Do they lash out? Do they become silently critical? Or do they face the crisis with resilience and, most importantly, with you as a teammate, not an enemy? The third 3. How consistently do they show up for the unromantic promises? This is about reliability. Not a vow made on a mountaintop, but the tiny, everyday promises. Did they say they'd take the trash out? Did they follow through? Are they on time? If someone consistently fails to honor the small commitments, it chips away at the trust foundation. It sends a message. My word to you is negotiable. Now, here's an interesting fact based on decades of psychological research from the Gottman Institute. They can predict divorce with over 90% accuracy. And the number one factor isn't arguing. It's something worse: contempt. That's the eye-rolling, the sarcasm, the feeling of superiority. If the 3-3-3 rule reveals a consistent lack of baseline respect, that contempt is already brewing. My final piece of advice is this: stop looking for someone who completes you. Look for someone who treats everyone around them, especially you, with consistent respect, even when it costs them effort or patience. The big romantic gestures are fun, but the true test of a forever relationship is simply this: how kind are you to each other when no one else is watching? If this helped you, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.